Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a backup and being logged into your Apple ID. This prevents data loss and avoids lockouts. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then Media and Purchases, or directly App Store depending on iOS version. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready because some resets require verification. Now, navigate to the App Store Settings subsection and stay on this screen. You're about to reset preferences and permissions that affect downloads, updates, and family sharing. You'll now adjust each App Store toggle to refresh system behavior. Turn automatic downloads and updates off, wait a few seconds, then turn them back on. This forces the system to rewrite preferences. Next, check purchase settings, subscription access, and family sharing entries. Revoke and re-add any problematic accounts if needed. If prompted, restart your device to clear transient caches. Make sure to sign back into Media and Purchases to re-establish authorization. This step realigns receipts, download history, and authentication tokens. Finish by signing out of Media and Purchases or the App Store, then sign back in to refresh credentials and rebuild the App Store connection. This often resolves hidden authorization errors. After that, update iOS and reinstall any apps that misbehaved to ensure compatibility. Make sure your payment method is valid for purchases. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting move is to restore your device from the backup you created earlier or contact Apple support. Doing so preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.